Hey everybody, so I'm going to do a sample problem with you. It's probably a little bit hard to see the problem, so I have put it at the beginning of this video, and I will also attach to it on the slides. So let's begin with what the question is. So it says, you are shopping for a ball for your pet that you can throw in the lake. The Chewer XL has a mass of 50 grams and a radius of 4 centimeters. What is the density of the ball, and will it float on water? Okay, so the first thing is we got to figure out what density is. So mass divided by volume. Okay, so I'm going to find those variables in my problem to find density. So I'm looking for mass and I'm looking for volume. Okay, so I see that we have 50 grams as my mass. We know that grams is a unit for mass. So I'm going to put 50 grams here. Now for volume, you're looking for something that has centimeters cubed or meters cubed. So I see that we have 4 centimeters. So that means I'm going to have to get the volume of this ball. So I'm going to draw a sphere. We know that the radius of this ball is going to be 4 centimeters. And I know that the equation for a sphere for the volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. So this is something that I would give you. The formula is something that I would give you. Okay, so let's plug it in. I know I need to plug in R, so I'm going to put in 4 centimeters in there. So V equals 4/3 pi, and for R I'm putting in 4 centimeters, and we have cubed. Now I'm going to put this into my calculator, so I'm going to do first 4 cubed. So don't forget that 4 cubed is 4 times 4 times 4. And we get 64 centimeters cubed. I'm going to multiply that times pi, which it's okay if you just do 3.14. So I'm going to put this over here. So when I multiply 64 times 3.14, I get 200.96. And don't forget you're still in centimeters cubed. Okay, now to multiply a fraction, you're going to do this number times 4 divided by 3. So let's see what we get. 267.946. Okay, so now I know that that is the volume of this sphere. So I'm going to put it right here, 267, and I'm going to just go ahead and round to make things simpler. So 0.95 centimeters cubed. Okay, so now you have the mass and the volume. So you know that density, you need these two variables. So what are you going to do with them? Well, you're going to divide. So I'm going to divide 50 divided by 267.95. Okay, and I will getting 0.1866. Don't forget your units, those are very, very important. Okay, so there we have it. That is the density of this ball that you want to buy for your dog. Now, the second part of the question asks, will this ball float? So first thing that you need to know, what is the density of water? Well, we know that the density of water is 1 grams per centimeters cubed. So if it's less than 1 grams per centimeter cubed, it's going to float. If it's more than 1, then it's going to sink. So in this case, does this sink or does this float? Well, it's going to float. So again, why is it going to float? Well, because it's less than the density of water.